Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So we just got this out of service and detail. I looked it up in the book, but I could not find the year of the machine. I'm putting it around 1910 to about 1925. So we brought it in, we completely serviced it, cleaned it all up, and then we shot a nice satin clear coat over it, which as you see really brought it alive. It's got all the nice graphics, plays good. I did not want to restore the machine because it's just too nice. It's the old, do you restore it, don't you restore it? This is a don't restore it, in my opinion. It's 1 penny per book of matches. Right here it is. Okay, so you put a penny in it, and you get 1 book of matches per penny. I'm gonna open it up and show you in the back here. Okay, and what I did was I filled it full of vintage, original, new old stock, Nevada Club matches. Okay, the big books. Got a nice lock on it here. Show you what it looks like. And that's how it looks, okay? So it's full of matches. You're gonna get all of the new old stock matches, which I'm gonna give you. It still has the directions in here, as well as this one actually also still has the original catch box, which is typically missing for whatever reason. Original cash box, 1920s, 1910, 1920s, 1 cent book match vending machine. A really cool machine, works good. I filled it full of NOS matches and it can be yours. If you buy before noon, we'll get it out in the same day. Jeff does that because we take good care of our customers. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, and someone's gonna get a nice match machine. See ya.
That's a tough one to shoot because I sneezed all over my screen.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.